I've been on eBay buying old car magazines, and I thought I'd flip through a few of them one at a time and show you some of the standout projects from way back in the day. So this is Custom Car, February 1978. 45 pence. Those were the days. Not one of the standout builds, but I do like their first page. This, as far as I can tell, is something I can't find a model of. Vauxhall PA, it's either a Victor or a Velox. Tells you somewhere near. Vauxhall 1960 PA Velox. I didn't see very many of these when I was growing up, and I was live when this magazine came out. Bit of a British street freak kind of deal. Just love the graphics and just the very 60s look of the design of the car. And this is I think this is a Mercury. Yeah, this is a 1951 Ford Mercury. Is it Ford Mercury? 1951 Mercury. There's in an article about how it seems terrible that no one in Britain is building lead sleds to this standard. At the time, I don't know if anyone managed since. And here's partway through the build of a 1953 Wyvern into a lead sled. Two cars in this one. Custom Mini, and the owner of the Custom Mini, according to the article, bought this instead. TR7 with some Trafalgar-inspired graffiti. Trafalgar-inspired murals on the side and the bonnet. 70s and 80s, I think, were the prime time for murals on cars. Next up, good old stock car racing. Six-wheel like the Tyrrells. Just a bit of an oddball one there. And this is the cover car, the feature car, Ford V8 Pilot. And I'm going to have to blur out this corner of the screen, aren't I? So that's your poster for this issue. Nice looking old school. Again, another thing I don't think I can get a model of. That's the really sad thing about these old magazines, is they give me inspiration to build things that I can't find kits for. Bit of vintage drag racing. Gotta love the old pop dragsters. Kit cars, because I don't know why there are kit cars in a custom car magazine, but hey. And another one I'm probably going to have to blur. This one, I found out what this was when I read it. 1948 Morris 8. Old school Model B, 1932. But this one appears to have a straight 8 engine. And a big feature on wheels. The state of the custom wheel market in Great Britain in 1978. Love the old school fins. I can't remember the name of those, but Campagnolo. I know them mostly for making bike bits. Got your mini lights, classic British rally wheel those, and your Revolutions, another classic British rally wheel. So that's just a very quick look at some of the more interesting features of this issue of Custom Car. If you'd like me to do them more in depth and just go page by page, do tell me. But for now, I'm working my way through the pile. 1970s to 1990s Custom Car magazines, Custom Car, Street Machine and Chrome and Flames, and just finding cool and interesting features that may inspire upcoming builds, may inspire some 3D design stuff as well. Some of this body kit parts, scoops and the like. Back in the day when things cost £17 for a side pipe. Anyway, more to come.